When people talk about reliable cars, one brand almost always comes up first: Toyota. For decades, Toyota has consistently ranked near the top of reliability studies, resale value charts, and long-term ownership reports. Mechanics recommend them, taxi fleets rely on them, and it's not unusual to see Toyotas with 300,000 miles still on the road. But the real question is, why? Because Toyota reliability isn't just about good parts or good luck, it comes from a specific philosophy of engineering. One of the biggest reasons is the Toyota Production System, or TPS, which focuses on consistency, efficiency, and continuous improvement. Instead of allowing defects to move down the line, workers can literally stop production if they see a quality issue. Toyota tends to refine proven engine designs over many years instead of constantly reinventing them to chase trends. A great example is the 2GR V6 engine, which powered multiple models for over a decade while engineers improved materials and cooling. Toyota also uses extensive parts sharing, allowing them to test and refine the same components across millions of vehicles. They also move cautiously with new tech. They introduced the Prius in 1997 and spent decades perfecting the hybrid system. This focus on durability builds immense trust, which is why Toyota vehicles maintain some of the highest resale values in the industry. The trade-off is that they might seem slower to adopt the newest features, but for millions, that dependability is worth it. Toyota doesn't chase trends. They focus on what works and make it better over time, keeping their cars on the road for decades.